Hi kids! Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Now I'm going to show you few pictures. Happy, sad, good, bad, up, down, day, night, start, stop, cold, hot. Can you guess what kind of a lesson is this? Today we are going to learn opposite words. What is the meaning of opposite words? Opposites are pairs of words that directly contrast each other. Contrast means not equal, different. A person or thing that is totally different from or the reverse of someone or something else. The opposite of someone or something is the person or the thing that is most different from them. For examples, big, small, tall, short, fat, thin, slow, fast, strong, weak, young, old. Let's learn opposite words. Big and small. Big elephant, small mouse. Big, small. Tall and short. Tall giraffe, short donkey. Tall, short. Long and short. Long train, short bus. Long, short. Fat and thin. Fat boy, thin girl. Fat, thin. More and less. A vase with more flowers. A vase with less flowers. More, less. Open and close. Open door, closed door. Open, closed. Inside and outside. The boy inside the playhouse. The girl outside of the playhouse. Inside, outside. Happy and sad. Happy kid, sad kid. Happy, sad. Up and down. The kite up in the sky. The kite down in the ground. Up, down. Full and empty. A full of fruit basket. An empty basket. Full, empty. Over and under. The car is over the bridge. The boat is under the bridge. Over, under. Hot and cold. Hot tea. Cold ice. Hot, cold. Fast and slow. Fast cheetah. Slow tortoise. Fast, slow. Young and old. Young girl, old woman. Young, old. Pull and push. The boy pull the box. The boy push the box. Pull and push. Dry and wet. Dry clothes. Wet clothes. Dry, wet. Alright kids, hope you all learn opposite words today. Keep practicing. Then I'm going to stop my lesson for today. Be happy and do your studies well. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.